My name is Divya and I'm an interior designer from Designing Kitchen. Today we are at Pitam Pura. We have recently installed this beautiful kitchen in a finish of acrylic, which we have used in grey as a slate and white color. So basically this is a sneak peek of the kitchen. I'll give you a complete walkthrough of the kitchen, what we have incorporated in this complete design. Also we have incorporated this beautiful island which goes like a hob space. So coming from here, so this one is a space for your accommodated for your fridge. Then this unit we have incorporated for your pantry as well as your microwave unit. So on the above you have storage for your maximum storage. This is space we have incorporated for your microwave. A built-in microwave would come over here. Then this is space we have incorporated for your shelf storage to have maximum storage. This comes your 2-wicker basket space to plan your all fruits as well as your basically aloo and pyaz space. Then this one is a shelf shutter storage with completely adjustable height, so we can probably plan adjustable height as well. This comes with your gola profile, so basically it's all handle-less, so there is no handle as such. Also we have incorporated this complete loft for the maximum storage to be planned. This comes your grain unit which is your basically masalas on the first drawer. Second can be your atta drawer or a maybe rice drawer as well. This is a shelf storage unit. Then this one is a rolling shutter which have your maximum storage of your all appliances. So basically you can probably plan your air fryer, juicers, mixers, everything can be incorporated in this space. This is the corner unit which has a S corner coming out completely to the cabinet. This is a water pullout with 2 tracks, so organizes your all ketchup, vinegar and oil bottles. This is another shelf storage to incorporate maximum storage of your shelf. So basically we can also have the monthly storage can be planned over here. This comes your 2-drawer system with a fitting of Hethik. This comes your hob unit which incorporates your basically cutlery organizer with a PVC cutlery. This is a regular drawer which incorporates your basically chakla banan and everything. Then there's a pot and pan drawer below this to organize your maximum storage of your big utensils. Over here we have also incorporated the chimney of 900 mm and 5 burner hob we have installed over here. Then this is a 2-drawer system we have incorporated over here. Coming over here, so this one is a crockery unit which incorporates your basically maximum storage of your crockery. Comes with a black finish of handles. Also we have incorporated the profile lighting on the cabinet's edge to have the maximum storage in the lighting. Then this is also storage of your pantry. We can have profile lighting just to have the maximum light in your boxes and you can probably see everything clearly. This is your shelf storage basically to have your maximum storage. Comes with a gola profile. There's a 3-drawer system we can incorporate. To have your maximum storage Probably we can also organize it different purposely. Over here we have maximum storage for another shelf storage in the island, as it's too huge, so we have incorporated both sides storage. This comes with the Hethix soft close channels. The core material we have used is HHMR, which is waterproof and termite proof. Also in the top, like the countertop, we have used is granite finish. On the tiles we have used is simple white tiles. Coming over here, so this section belongs to a washing area which have maximum storage of your shelf storage. So this accommodates your maximum storage in the below shelves. All the hinges we have used is from the brand Hethix, which is completely stock closed. This comes your sink unit, which incorporates your auto bin, and an under sink RO can be planned as well. This comes your GTP unit, which accommodates your all plates, bowls, spoons like that, and there's a drip tray. When you're completely done with your wash, you can probably take out the tray and the water can be dripped out on the sink space. Above over here, you can see there's a complete loft storage we have incorporated just to have the maximum storage. And we have also used a matte finish handles in a black color. So this gives a complete aesthetical designing. The granite we have used over here, and the tiles we have used are simple white tiles to incorporate the white combination going along with this, and the black granite we have used on the top. This is a sink unit which incorporates your under sink RO. And this comes with your auto bin and a detergent holder. And we have also incorporated two double bowl sink with a tap. Thank you. Kitchen. Today I have Ms. Ritika with me, who owns this beautiful kitchen and beautiful house at Pitam Pura. So hi Ritika, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So I would like to know the couple of things regarding, we have just done your wardrobes, kitchens, TV units. So how was the total experience with that?
It was good. I'm very satisfied with the customer in this, and I recommend everyone about this. Go for the designing kitchen.
Okay. How was the timeline and deliverability of the complete
Time is,
process?
they are always on time. Whenever I require their services, they provide me on time. This is the best thing I like in designing kitchen.
Okay. So how would you like to recommend us further?
Yeah, definitely. I'm very satisfied that I want to recommend everyone go for designing kitchen.
Thank you.